Hello, my little ones. So, what are we going to learn today? Do you remember what we did in our previous session? We did a sound word. So, the first vowel. Today, we are going to do the second one, E sound words. What are we going to do? E sound words. So, welcome to Learn Forwards. We are going to learn E sound words from Hi Kids Phonics Skill Books from Feather Cap. So, let's see. So before jumping to E sound words, I hope you all remember A sound words. Yes, and what is the sound of letter A? E. So similarly, what is the sound of letter E? Can anybody tell me? What is the sound of letter E? I'm waiting for the reply. The sound of letter E is E. Sound of letter E is E. E says elephant. E. E says E. So we are going to learn E sound word. E is a vowel as in N-E-T. Net, net. Net. This is a net which is used to catch the fishes. Now W-E-B. This is a web. 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 Can you see the spider? It's the house of, it's the home of spider. Spider builds this web. You must have seen which movie? Spider-Man. So this is web. Now what is this? I'm also holding the similar thing in my hand. Pen. P-E-N, pen, which is used for writing. Now we are going to join two alphabets. One alphabet is consonant and one alphabet is vowel. Let's see what sound comes out. All right. Now B plus E. Here it's called be. Be plus E, be. De. D plus E, de. De plus E, de. F plus E, fe. Plus E, fe. G plus E, ge. Ge plus E, ge. H plus E, he. Plus E, he. J plus E, J. J plus E, J. K plus E, K. K plus E, K. M plus E, me. M plus E, me. When we will put one more alphabet in front of this, then you will be able to understand the whole letter, whole word. Then you will be able to understand the whole word. All right? Now, N plus E, ne. M plus E, ne. P plus E, pe. Pe plus E, pe. R plus E, re. R plus E, re. S plus E, se. Plus E, se. T plus E, te. T plus E, te. W plus E, ve. V plus E, ve. Y plus E, ye. Y plus E, ye. Z plus E, z. Plus E, z. All right. Now, when we'll be adding the third alphabet, then the whole word will be clear to us. Okay? Like this. Now, we'll be doing E sound words. So, we'll be joining this ED. We'll be adding one more consonant in front of it. Then it will make sense. The whole letter will be completed. The whole word will be completed. Okay? So, now we'll be doing ED sound words. Okay? Now, B plus ED, bed. Oh, this is a beautiful bed. And a little bear is trying to jump onto it, isn't it? Now, B plus ed, bed. Now, F plus ed, fed. Plus ed, fed. This baby, this little girl is feeding the little cat. This girl is giving some food to the cat. Now, R plus ed, red. R plus ed, red. This is red color. Now, we'll be doing EG sound words. Egg. Now, K plus EG, keg. K plus egg, keg. Now, L plus EG, leg. L plus egg, leg. Oh, Can you touch your leg? I can touch. So, now P plus EG, peg. P plus egg, peg. Now, let's come to EN sound words. N. H plus EN, hen. Plus N, hen. It's a cute little hen. P plus EN, pen. P plus N, pen. Now T plus EN, 10. Do you see? Can you see the number 10? T plus N, 10. Now AT, et. J plus ET, jet. J plus et, jet. N plus ET, net. N plus et, net. It's used for catching the fishes. Now P plus ET, pet. P plus et, pet. Oh, there's a cute pet. Do you have a pet at home? I do have a pet. Its name is Togo. What's the name of your pet? Can anybody tell me? So I hope all these words are clear to you. They are very simple words. I hope these are clear to you. Now, we'll be doing more ED sound, ED, EG, EN and ET sound words. Alright? So, once I repeat them here, once I say them here, you have to repeat them after me. Okay? I can't hear you from here, but I hope there's a trust factor between us. I hope when I'll say them here, you will repeat them there. Okay? Now, I'll be doing ED sound words. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. F-E-D, fed. Ed, fed. L-E-D, led. L-E-D, led. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. W-E-D, wed. W-E-D, wed. Now, E-G sound words. Egg. Now, B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. Very good. K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. M-E-G, meg. M-E-G, meg. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. Now, E-N, N sound words. D-E-N, den. D-N, den. Very good. H-E-N, hen. H-N, hen. Very good. M-E-N, men. M-N, men. M-N, men. P-E-N, pen. P-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. T-N, ten. Now, we'll be doing E-T sound words. Et. Now, B-E-T, bet. Bet, bet. Now, G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. Very well done. L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. M-E-T, met. M-E-T, met. M-E-T, met. What is the sound of M? It's not m. It's not m. Met, met, moon. It comes out from inside, moon. Okay? So, I hope you were repeating after me and you have learned them. So, let's come to the next exercise. See the pictures and read the story. Okay, let's learn the story. What all do you see in the story? Let's learn that first. Here it's a, what's it there? P-E-T, pet, pet. Now, who is this? V-E-T, vet, is the animal doctor. He is the animal doctor. The doctor of animals is called a vet. Now, the child is getting wet. It's wearing a raincoat. W-E-T, wet. Now, this is N-E-T, net. This is R-E-D, red. And this is J-E-T, jet. Now, let's learn this story. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is. This is pet. P-E-T, pet. H-E, he. I-S is. M-Y, my. P-E-T, pet. B-E-N, Ben. I-S is a dog. Ben is the dog. The name of this dog is, name of this pet is Ben. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is. T-E-D, Ted. T-E-D, Ted. I-S is a B-E-T, wet. Ted. What's the name of this wet? Ted. H-E-E-L-I-K-A-S, likes. B-E-N, Ben. He likes Ben. This wet, whose name is Ted, likes this pet, whose name is this wet, whose name is Ted, likes this pet, whose name is Ben. B-E-N, Ben. E-N-T, ant. M-E-G, Meg. Who is this Meg now? I think the name of this girl is Meg. F-E-L-L, fell. I-N, T-O-2, into. T-H-E-T, W-A-T-E-R, water. Ben and Meg fell into the water. Oh my God, they both fell into the water. M-E-G, Meg. G-O-T, got. W-E-T, wet. Meg got wet. Now see, B-E-N. Can you see, children? Let me come to this side. B-E-N, Ben. H-A-S, has. A-N-E-T, net. Ben has a net. T-H-E-D, N-E-T, net. I-S is red. This net is red in color. M-E-G, Meg. Meg, this girl Meg. H-A-S, has. A J-E-T, jet. Oh my, this girl Meg has a jet. Do you have a jet with you? This is an interesting exercise. Okay, now say the name of each picture and fill in the blank. Now what sound words are these? E sound words. So we keeping that in mind, we have to identify the picture. Now what is this? What is this? B-E-D, bed. Now, what are we supposed to write in the center? A. No. We are supposed to write E. B-E-D. Oh, I have to choose a color. What color? What color? Let me take green color. Now, B-E-D. Bed. Very well done. Now, this is a lion and it's the den of a lion. So, D-E-N. Den. Lion lives in a den. Now, P-E-G, it's a clip, right? P-E-G, peg. So, what are we supposed to write in the center? P-A-G, peg? No. P-E-G, peg. Now, what is this? Is it an arm? Yes, it's an arm. No, it's a L-E-G, leg. Leg, leg. Very good. I can see some of you not writing it in your copies. Do it. Okay? Now, next exercise. Match the pictures to their names. So these are the pictures and here are the names of these pictures. So we have to identify and match. Okay, what is this? It's a pig? No. Is it a duck? No. It's H-E-N, hen. Where do you see hen written? Oh, it's written here. We join hen with a hen. Now, what is this? These clothes are wet. W-E-T, wet. So we have to see where wet is written. Oh, it's written here. We'll join wet. Okay. Now this is number 8. Yes, it's number 8. No, it's number 10. T-E-N, 10. Okay. Now coming to the next picture. Now this is J. Oh, it has an eye also. Have you ever seen a jet having an eye? So this is J-E-T, jet. So we have to find out where is the jet. Oh, it's here. So we'll just join it with this one. Now this is K-E-G, keg. Where do you see the keg written? Oh, it's written here. Let me join. Now, what is this? Which picture is this? This is N-E-T, net. Where do you see the net written? Where do you see the... I have found it. I have found this one. Very good. Now clap yourself. We have done one more exercise. Now, are you all ready to see the next exercise? Let us go. Ooh, shoom. It is an interesting one. I thought they are going to repeat the previous one. Okay. Now, read the words aloud. Okay. Color the petals that have the vowel E sound in the middle. Okay, this is a flower and it has so many petals. First of all, let us count how many petals. We'll start from SAT, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 petals. So we have to see which all petals have E sound words in it. Okay, and that we have to color. Let's start it. Now, first of all, we have to choose a color. Now, petal cannot be green color. So, we'll take red color. Okay, and we have to choose a highlighter this time. Alright, now we start from Saturday. S-A-T, sat. Does it have a E sound? No, it has A sound, A in it. So, we will not color it. Now, B-E-T, bet. Now, this has E in the center. So, it has vowel E sound in the middle. We will be coloring it yellow. How come it has come out to be yellow? I chose red color. Never mind. You can choose red color. Okay, now I can color better because I have got a lot of space to color. Okay, now coming back to next petal, it has G-E-T, get. Again, it has vowel E sound in the middle. So, we are going to color this one also. Now, color this one also. Okay, done? Done with me? Okay. Now, coming back to the next one, H-A-T, hat. It does not have E, so we'll skip this one. Now, this is J-E-T, jet. Again, E sound in the center. So, we are going to color this one. Okay. Yes, keep going, keep going. Color it very carefully. It shouldn't come out of the boundary. Wonderful. Now, the next one, M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. It's a sound word. N-E-T, net. Now, again, it has the vowel E sound in the middle. So, we are going to color it. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Lovely, 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 lovely. Yes. Now, the next one. P-A-T, pat. It has A sound word in the center. Now, V-E-T, vet. Vet. Who is a vet? An animal doctor. Okay, we are going to color it again yellow because it has E sound in the center. Oh. Yes, I'm enjoying the coloring because I've got a whole lot of space to color. Very good, very good. Now, the last one, W-E-T, wet. Wet, wet. Wet, wet. So, it has E sound in the center. Let me color it. Okay. Yes. Are you all enjoying? I'm thoroughly enjoying this exercise. I love coloring. I'm done. I hope they should have taken some other picture. Is it this flower looking nice? Oh, let's do something additional. We are going to color this red one. Otherwise, this flower will not look nice. Okay. Yes, yes. And we are done. We are done. So, we'll again choose a pen. Okay. Now, coming to next exercise. Read each word aloud and paste the sticker of that word in the given space. Okay, now you all are having your books. So, there the stickers of these words are given. You have to take out that sticker and place it on the respective word. Like web sticker has to be placed here. Hen sticker has to be placed here. W-E-B, web. H-E-N, hen. Now, B-E-D, bed. Bed sticker has to be pasted here. And P-E-G, peg sticker has to be pasted here. And this way, you will be able to complete this exercise. So, I hope children by now, your A sound words, your E sound words, both are clear. Now, you have to do, what exercise do you have to do? You have to keep doing the revision of these two exercises. You have the videos, watch them again and again so that before jumping on to the third one, that is A, E, I, you are very well versed in these two sounds. Then only you'll be able to learn something new. If you are not very strong in your previous task, how will you learn something new? So, do practice them at home again and again before jumping on to the third one. So, till we meet next. Happy learning. Bye-bye.